Hello everyone, I am Mo and you are welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. Today I have some lightweight summer appropriate toners. Almost all of them have watery consistency, some of them may have little bit of body but they don't leave any residue once they are absorbed. But the best part, all of them except one or two would help your pores stay clean. They would help you fight against your acne. वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा हेल्पफुल लगेगा तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा एंड काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल इफ़ you want to hear only honest reviews. Starting with the Sunjong toner from Etude House, one of my top most successful recommendation. I always receive loves and thanks from my subscriber because of this toner. Because you are not only getting quality, you are getting quantity at affordable price. A watery toner that feels like water but adds hydration like a lightweight serum. If you have extremely acne prone skin, oily skin, congestion prone skin, or highly sensitive skin, don't think twice. Use it every single day during your normal skincare routine or carry it inside a spray bottle and mist it all over your face whenever you want and you will be satisfied. After finishing the product, you can even use that empty as your water bottle or flower vase. And if you like this one, I'm damn sure you are going to love this one as well. Heartlip Hyaluron Soothing Toner by Goodall. In fact, it reminds me of the Sunjong Toner by Etude House because they both have that watery consistency but add hydration like a lightweight serum. Differences are there, like this one feels very soothing, very cooling, ideal to be used as a mist toner. In fact, na summer mein, while using it as a mist, it feels very relaxing, like a cool fresh air. Also, Sunjong focuses more on pores, keeping them clean, less clogged. This one helps in calming and soothing your skin's irritation, calming down your redness, sunburn. HOCl spray by Minimalist. I have two bottles, one for myself, another one for my husband. And after finishing them, I will buy another two bottles because that much we love it and it deserves that much love. If you have noticed me in my last two videos, definitely you noticed the outbursts of acne due to medication. तो उनको आने से तो मैं रोक नहीं पाऊंगी because I have to take those medicines, but उनको जल्दी dry out करने में और वो bacteria's father जगह पे ना फैले उसके लिए it helped me a lot. It alone helped me a lot and still helping me. I'm using it every single day right after I finish my workout, whether I'm working out outside or inside. Even before washing my face, I apply it all over my face, on my neck, on my armpit, on my hands as a disinfector. Then I leave it for 5 minutes. After that, I wash my face. Not just me, it is helping my husband as well. And other than your vitamin C, peptide and retinol, you can pair it with almost any actives. Dr. Toner by Round Lab. Not my favorite because I find it to be basic and way too basic if I compare the hype. Yes, it's a viscous toner but feels like water while application on skin. मतलब हाथ में जब आप लेते हो थोड़ा viscosity feel होता है but while application it feels like applying a water and it adds hydration just like water and nothing more than that. So when I think about other reviews like brightening, keeping your pores clean, glass skin, then mild exfoliation, no, it doesn't do any one of them. But as a normal basic hydrating toner that people with oily to super oily skin, it's a good one. Onion toner by Isntree. You can go for the toner or you can go for the toner pads. Yes, I'm recommending toner pads, which is pretty rare, right? Because I find them to be wasteful and not value for money. Except this one and toner pads from Skin Food, because there you are getting quantity. No, I'm not talking about 70 pads or 80 pads. I'm talking about 60 pads with 180 ml, 60 pads with 250 ml. Matters. Here you are getting 250 ml quantity. जितना आपको टोनर बॉटल में मिलता है उतना ही मिलता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस कंपनीज अगर टोनर बॉटल्स में 200 ml देते हैं तो टोनर पैड्स जो कि ज़्यादा पैसे में वो लोग बेचते हैं उसमें आपको काफ़ी कम क्वांटिटी में टोनर्स देते हैं. These pads are drenched with toners. You can use them for swiping across your face or you can even divide those pads and use it as your spot sheet mask. Now as a product it looks like water, feels like water and adds hydration just like water. But they have cleansing property like cleansing water. That's why I love to use them during winter time because I don't want to strip my skin's natural oil. when my skin becomes completely dry and dehydrated. Just use a normal face wash to cleaning your face, then use them for adding hydration, also cleaning the leftover residue. ABC Toner by Cosrx, one of the most underrated but a gorgeous product. You know my top 3 toners from Cosrx? Propolis, ABC, and the third position will be a tie in between Peptide Booster and Galactomyces Essence. So the ABC comes in second position because it's the perfect toner for people living in extremely humid and polluted city or visiting outside for work purpose every single day. Because it is watery and it has AHA, BHA, vitamin C, all three in a moderate way, so you can use it on alternate days. BHA आपके पोर्स के रेगुलर क्लीनिंग में हेल्प करेगा. AHA एंड विटामिन सी टुगेदर विल कीप योर कंप्लेक्शन ऑन चेक. सन टैन को दूर करेगा, पिगमेंटेशन को इवन आउट करने में हेल्प करेगा. यू कैन यूज इट ऑन योर फेस, यू कैन यूज इट ऑन योर लिप्स, you can use it on your underarms. Wherever you put, it will going to work. And if you use a derivative vitamin C as an antioxidant serum in your routine, use that toner underneath. ये toner उस vitamin C के लिए favorable pH prepare करेगा. Calming Deep Moisture Toner by Pyongyang. It's a watery toner that adds hydration little more than water. Almost like Sunjong toner, but I would say one layer of Sunjong toner will be equivalent to 2 layers of this one. And other differences are there, like Sunjong toner focuses more on pores. This one features PHA and AHA. So reducing pigmentation by shredding top layer of your skin in slow way. It has a very safe ingredient list like almost any products from Pyongyang, but I'm not going to repurchase this one because whatever it is and whatever it does, I expect little more quantity. Green Tomato Pore Lifting Ampule Toner by Sunbung Editor. सच कहूँ आई बॉट इट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वांटिटी और ये 50% में अवेलेबल था. आई वॉज लिटिल स्केर्ड बिकॉज कच्चे टमाटर से मुझे थोड़ा एलर्जी होता है, बट इससे मुझे कोई एलर्जिक रिएक्शन नहीं आया है. इनफैक्ट एवर सिंस आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, आई एम नॉट रीचिंग फॉर इट टू ऑफन बिकॉज दे बोथ हैव सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी, दे बोथ फील सेम एंड दे बोथ एट सेम identical type of hydration, and they both feature PHA and AHA. But here I am getting more quantity and better ingredients, like more ingredients like a niacinamide, vitamin E, ceramides, collagen. मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसे पोर को लिफ्ट करा दे. I didn't expect it, but as a watery hydrating toner that regulates sebum production, it's a good one. And that's all with my today's video, but no, we are not done yet. I will come back with more toners. Stay tuned for that and see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.